welcome back to my channel. I told you see me again soon. I'm back with a new video, and today I'm doing something different. I'm doing something different to what I normally would do. As most of you will know, those that watch my channel know that I normally do makeup tutorials and hair reviews. Well, today guys, I am bringing you something different. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a clothing haul. Yay! I've never done a haul before. I've always wanted to do a clothing haul, but I've never got around to doing it. So I said 2019, I'm doing what I said I was gonna do. That's my goal, is this year, doing what I said I was gonna do. No more procrastinating. I am doing it today. So I've got a few pieces from Misguided, Boohoo, and where else? Ego. A few goodies I'm going to share with you guys. You may notice that a lot of the stuff that I bought are like similar tones, similar colours. That's because for some reason I've become quite obsessed with the colour brown and nudes, and I think that's obviously the trend this season anyway. Autumn, winter season, it's been a lot of earthy colours, dark chocolate colours, beiges, nudes, creams, and that kind of been drawn a lot into that. So you're going to see a lot of, and also the animal prints as well. I've always been a fan of animal prints anyway. Those that know me know I always have leopard, like always. But I'm obsessed. I've been obsessed with animal prints, so a lot of them are going to be animal prints as well. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is this top that I'm wearing. Here it is. It's a ribbed bodysuit, V-neck, as you can see, plunged. I got this from H&M. I got this from H&M. It's chocolate brown, and yeah, I love it. And you could pair it with some nice nude joggers if you wanted to sort of, you know. Here are the joggers. I don't know how I'm going to show you guys all this. Here are the joggers. The joggers are from Boohoo. Here they are. If you want to dress it cash, you can wear it with joggers. If you want to dress it up, you can pair it with skirts. I got this skirt from Misguided. This is just a nude, long fitted skirt, jersey material. So yeah, so this is the skirt from Misguided. It goes down past the knee. That's it there. So you can dress it up with these. Okay, so the next thing I bought from Boohoo is this, another bodysuit. It's ribbed as well. It's got the little lines in it. I don't know if you can see properly. It's the lines. It's a bodysuit. I got it in a size 10 from Boohoo. I'm in love with this colour. It's just a nude. So here is the top. Here it is right here. Round neck, fitted jersey rib. This is just like a casual runabout day wear, and I've paired it with the joggers that I showed you earlier from Boohoo. Here they are. Cuffed joggers on the leg. This is so cute. I like this. Really cute. What I got was this snake print brownie greyish top. And this, so I forgot to give you guys the prices. This was only $3.99, I think it was, guys. This is actually a bargain. I've just paired it with the joggers again because it's just neutral, and these joggers go with everything. So here's the top right here. I like this top. You can dress it up or you can dress it down. If you dress it up, you can just put on a pair of heels, jeans, and you're good to go. Or you can dress it down with some joggers like I've done right now. And yeah, I think this is just so cute. These are cute. Then I got this snake print turtleneck top, which is so cute. This is like a brownie greyish tone as well. This is from H&M. I think this is gorgeous. I've just paired it with the joggers. Show you how it looks with the joggers. There we go. Bam, bam. I told you I'm in love with my snake print these days. I'm just so obsessed with the snake print. This is so gorgeous. I think this was $12.99 from H&M. Yeah, this is cute. And again with the snake print. This is like a brown, this is a brown snake print colour. Blazer. Don't watch the trousers, just look at the blazer, the jacket. What I really liked about it as well is the button, the pearl sort of detailing. I thought it gave it a nice touch. This is a gorgeous blazer, guys. I really like it. I got this from Parisian.com or something like that. I'll leave it down below anyway. I think this one is out of stock at them though, but maybe you could subscribe for them to notify you when they're back in if you're interested. But this is one of my favourite buys for this month. I think it's so gorgeous. Another one of my favourite buys were these trousers. They've got, it's like a yellow and white stripe going all the way, going all the way down. As you can see, cuffed at the bottom, so it's nice and fitted on the ankle. I love these joggers, guys. These remind me of like, these low-key remind me of Fendi. But yeah, I like the pattern. I like the colour. The colour is, the print is in black. And it's like a soft, sort of like a mocha colour. And it goes nicely with this top as well. These are gorgeous. These are from Boohoo, and I got them for, how much did I get these babies for? I got them for £5, you know, £5. I think now they've gone up to £8, but it's still a bargain. Yeah, it's still a bargain. These are gorgeous. This is one of my favourite buys. I really, really like these. These joggers are everything. And the thing about these is that you could dress it up. You could wear them with like perspex, a nice, you know, top, a nice blouse, or you could dress it down like I've done with like a jersey top and trainers. These are the perspex I got from Ego. They're actually out of stock now. These are so gorgeous. I'm gonna put these on. Mules, perspex mules, shall I say. I'm gonna add them to the look. This look bangs. This look actually bangs. I'm gonna just lift my leg up and just show you. Because I'm struggling to get everything in, guys. But yeah, with some perspex. Or you can dress them up, you could dress them down cash with some sneakers. I got these all white sneakers from Boohoo. I got them for, I think it was £18 on sale. Look at these trainers, guys, these chunky trainers. They're just everything. These have been my run around everyday trainers since I got them. I'm not really a trainer person, but I fell in love with these. And they're similar to the Fila. And obviously, I love the Fila trainers, so that's my next purchase. So I said, let me get something that's close to it for now. And these are just gorgeous. So you could also pair the trousers. You can pair the trousers with these trainers for a more dressed down sort of look. Yes. Yes. Woo, woo, woo. So you can dress them down with the trainers. You guys see how bad I am with buying all browns. Like, I got this bodysuit as well. You won't believe it. I got it at Boohoo for, I think it was £3.75 or some ridiculous price. When I saw it, I was like, are you serious? How is this bodysuit just £3? But I got it anyway. Because I'm into my browns and I thought this would look good with, you know, dressing up or casual wear. I could wear it with my joggers and my trainers, and then my teddy coat or my, I forgot the name of those coats, the long waterfall sort of coats. But with that, a nude one, you know, you dress it up or dress it down, basically. This is just so... And for the price, £3.75, you can't go wrong, guys. You can't go wrong. So I'm loving this little number here. Browns again, don't be surprised. This is my hoodie that I purchased. I got this at TK Maxx, and this is the menswear. I wanted to get it oversized to wear as a dress, But me, when it comes to I'm really skeptical when it comes to, you know, things under my knees. I don't know, but I really like this jumper, so I bought this anyway. And what I normally, it will go nice with the trainers as well, the white trainers, white line detailed in it, so you can wear it with the white trainers. And yeah, this is just so thick, cozy and warm. I'm loving it. Perfect chocolate color for autumn and winter. This was, I think, $12.99 or something like that. I can't remember, but yeah. This is the jumper dress, well, jumper, which I wear as a, well, you can wear as a dress. I haven't worn it out as a dress yet because I don't really wear short stuff, but I've been wearing it with my new joggers and my white trainers. I'm just loving the lounge, relaxed, casual, sporty look these days. I don't know why, but that's the vibe I've been going for lately, so. Yeah. Okay, lastly is this gorgeous, sexy snake print dress, y'all. Take a look at that, y'all. This is the dress. This dress is from Misguided. What color is it? This is like a coffee but rose gold brownish color. I can't really explain it. That's the color here. I can't remember how much I got this dress for. I really can't remember, but I'll try and look for it and put it in this description box. But another one of my snake prints collection. This dress is really cute. It's like a jersey sort of style, so it's not that thick. It's quite light, but I feel quite hot in it anyway because it's, you know, it comes up to your neck, so it is quite warm. But I love the color of this. I think it really complements my skin tone. And yeah, I got this dress in a size 10 from Misguided. I'll try and find the price and leave it down below for you guys. So that's the end of my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the outfits that I put together, the items that I purchased. Sorry, it was a bit of a, you know, it wasn't quite how I would like it. It's my first haul, so I'm still trying to get used to having the camera at an angle that you can see the whole outfit. So I'm working on it, guys. I'm working on it. This is my first haul, so just allow me, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave the details of the items down below if they're still in stock. If not, I'll try and put something that's similar. A few of them were out of stock. I will let you know in the description box down below because I can't remember off my head. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and please do share as well, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.